For 3 years of my trading, I would pretty much lose every trade that I took. I would enter into a position, it would immediately reverse on me, and I would feel so frustrated as to why am I not making progress? Why am I not seeing any success? What is going on? And that happened for 3 whole years. And finally, I've had 5 weeks of profitability in a row. I lost last week, but I had 5 weeks of profitable trades. 660, 1,046. Didn't take any trades this week. I was on vacation. I should have won more on this trade, but I won 500, 400, 1,000, 1,000, and I lost $720. So this is on a $50,000 account. So I made 8% in 5 weeks. And basically, I just want to go over what is the reason for that. Why am I finally seeing success? How did I do it? What are the top things that I learned through this journey? So also, I wanted to show that while this is since January 1st when I started to track on TradePath. I don't know if you guys I've heard of it, but it's a journaling software. And I got all the way down to negative $3,000. Like I just kept losing trades. If we go back, okay, never mind. I started tracking in March, but it's just yellow. The yellow. Oh my God, that's bad. The yellow are the losing days. Jeez, that is horrible, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 losses and 3 wins in a month. Jeez, man. Oh my God. I didn't take a single winning trade May. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losses. And then June, it finally clicked. But you see the difference in the journals? Look how many trades I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 trades in April. And then if we go to the next month where I lost again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trades. I took 3 trades both of these weeks. I took 6 trades in 2 weeks. Now if we go to where I'm actually making money, I took 3 trades. 3 trades and I made a shit ton more money. I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades this month. And I definitely made a shit ton more money. This one's a break even. But I'm basically taking 1 trade a week. Yes, they're worse it's worse market conditions right now. But taking less trades, waiting for the right setups, has made me more money. Maybe that's just my system, but that's something that I couldn't comprehend before, was that I could just wait. I could just wait to see the perfect setup, and then I could take it. Now, that doesn't mean being hesitant, and when you see your setup, not taking it, but it's being confident enough to where you see your setup and you take it, and when you don't see your setup, you don't fucking touch it. You just wait until you see something you're confident in. And I wasn't able to understand that before. I would try to force things because I wasn't confident in myself. And it took me building conviction in my own system to get to that point. So we have waiting. I learned to wait to see what I needed to. And I got confident in my trading system. And there is more things. Maybe I'll try and uncover them as I speak. But those are the 2 main things that I can think of, is being confident and being able to wait until I see what I need to. Also, I started to actually believe that I was a profitable trader. I put it in my head that I am a profitable trader. I am not an unprofitable trader. In my brain, I used to identify myself, like not even consciously, unconsciously, I would think of myself as an unprofitable trader. I thought I was stuck as an unprofitable trader trying to become profitable. But once I switched my mindset to I am a profitable trader, that's when I started making the correct decisions. The correct decision to wait. That's when I started to focus on my habits and make sure I'm doing the right things coming into market open. I'm actually fully preparing my mind to trade. And there's this one comment that I want to show you, which is kind of the reason I'm making this video is this comment. It was from a little bit ago, but I did want to show it. Sorry for taking so long. Pull this up. Not there. Hopefully you're still watching. He said, "You're not even profitable. How can you be confident?" And I said, I already am. I already believe I am profitable, just don't have the real monetary evidence. And he said, that's called delusion. Delusion is what you have to fucking have. But if you don't believe it to yourself that you're a profitable trader, you're not going to make it. I said this 3 weeks ago. I won the next two weeks in a row. I made $2,000. I made 4%. After saying that to somebody else, not even just saying it to myself. I had the confidence enough to say it to somebody else in my public YouTube comment section. You have to be fucking delusional. I don't fucking care if it seems delusional. I don't care if people think I'm crazy about this shit. You have to be fucking delusional about your success. Now, that doesn't mean that you don't put the work in. That means you're delusional and you put the work in as well. And you're able to reflect on what you did wrong. But those are the things that made me win 5 weeks in a row. I was profitable 5 weeks in a row. And it's because I was able to be confident. Like, that's honestly the biggest thing, is that I was delusional in thinking that I'm profitable, which led to me being confident in myself. And man, I sit at the charts now. I sit and I wait and I wait and I wait. Maybe there's some setups that I would have taken a while ago. I used to take that I probably would have taken. But now I see them and I say, that's not enough. I need to see more. And I just fucking wait. And the thing with trading is that it's not about how many trades you take. It's not about how many winning trades you take. It's about the quality of the trades you take. I could take 50 winning trades with a 1 to 3 RR, let's say on a $5,000 account, and I would make however much money. If I took one single trade on a $500,000 account and I had a 1 to 2 RR, that would be way more money. Because that's the thing about trading. It's not about how many winning trades you can get. It's about the fucking quality. It's about your account size. It's about how much you can trust in yourself. And if I waited for that one setup when I had that $500,000 account, and I waited for that one amazing, everything looks great, A++ setup, and I took it on that account, I would be way more confident taking that than seeing a bunch of lower quality, maybe B+ setups and taking that on my $500,000 account. If I'm taking a low quality setup on that large account, I'm not going to be confident. I'm going to be anxious. I'm going to be feeling emotions when I'm in that trade. And it's not going to feel good, and price will probably go against me, and I might close it early because I can't lose that much money. I don't feel confident losing that much money in something that I'm not confident in. So, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed me just yapping a little bit. I'm sure there's more lessons that I've learned that I will continue to talk about in this YouTube channel, but that's all that came to my mind for now. So I hope to see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, do all that, and yeah, peace out.